Hello everyone, welcome to the yarn bowl. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to make this cute and simple soap saver, an easy crochet tutorial video. You can use this soap saver bag along with your soap as is, and it's a very quick and easy pattern. And the written pattern of this soap saver is available in my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Meanwhile, if you are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well so that you get notified whenever I post a new video. So for today's project, we'll be using Line brand's Comfy Cotton Blend yarn. It's a cotton and polyester blend yarn, and the yardage is about 392 yards, and it's a size 3 yarn, and they recommend us to use 6mm crochet hook, and the color scheme of this yarn is Soothing Lavenders, and we'll be using 4mm crochet hook and a scissor for this project. So starting row 1 would be the foundation row. For that we'll work chain 15 plus 3 chains. So the foundation is 15 chains, and the 3 chains is considered as our first double crochet on our 15th chain. So first crochet 15 chains. So once you've worked 15 chains, we are going to go ahead add 3 more chains, which will be considered as our first double crochet on the last chain, that is the 15th chain. So this 3 chains is going to be considered as our first double crochet, which is on our 15th chain. So then we are going to work 1 more double crochet on the same chain, which is our 15th chain. And in the last chain, that is our first chain, we are going to work 3 double crochet. The idea is we are going to have 3 double crochet in the first and last chains. So this 3 chains that we worked is our first double crochet on this end, and we are working 1 more double crochet now. So while we are working in the round, while finishing up, we'll work 1 more double crochet on this very same chain and then close this row. So we have worked 2 double crochet in our last chain on our right hand side end, and from now on we are going to work 1 double crochet on each chain until we reach our last chain on the other side. Now on the last chain on the other side, which is our first chain, we are going to work 3 double crochets on this chain. So as I told you earlier, we are going to work 3 double crochet on the first and last chains. So we have worked 3 double crochet. Now we are going to work 1 double crochet on each chains on the opposite side. So 13 double crochets we need to work on each chains, that is 1 double crochet for each chains, and in the ends we'll have 3 double crochet on each of the chains on the either ends, the first and last chains. So we'll have 13 double crochet in between, and in the first and last chains we'll have 3 double crochet. So continue working 1 double crochet on each chain till the last chain. So as we have worked 2 double crochet already, we are going to work 1 double crochet in the 15th chain and then work a slip stitch on top of our starting chain 3, which is our first double crochet, to close this row 1. So with this our row 1 is complete, and then we are going to work the body of the soap saver. So for that, work a chain 3. For row 2, work a chain 3, which is considered as our first double crochet. Then work 1 more chain for the chain 1 space and then we are going to skip one stitch and work one double crochet on the next stitch, then chain one, skip one stitch and work one double crochet on the next stitch, and then chain one, skip one stitch and work one double crochet on the next stitch. So we are going to work like this around, that is chain one, skip one stitch and work one double crochet on the next stitch around, and at the end we are going to work a chain one and work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3 to close this row 2. So continue working like this around. So now I am going to work a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3 to close this row 2. So we are going to basically repeat this row until we reach row number 9. So we are going to work a chain 3. This is our row 3, and then add in one more chain for the chain 1 space and work one double crochet on top of the double crochet of the previous row, chain 1, work one double crochet on top of the double crochet of the previous row, chain 1, work one double crochet on top of the double crochet of the previous row. Continue working like this around, and then work a slip stitch on top of your starting chain 3, which is considered as our first double crochet, to close this row 3. So continue working like this around. I'll meet you at the end of this row. So now I'm working a chain 1 and then working a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3 to close this row 3. So from now on, from row 4 to row 9, we are just going to repeat row 3. So just stop when you reach row 9. If your soap is a little bit bigger, you may need to add in few more rows. I think this is enough for the standard soap size. So I'm gonna go ahead work this row 3 until I reach row number 9. So now I'm at the end of row 9, so I'm just working a chain 1 and then working a slip stitch on top of my starting chain 3, which is my first double crochet, to close this row 9. So after this you can fasten off the yarn and then weave your ends. So I've weaved in my ends. Now we need to add in straps, which is like a drawstring on the 9th row. So we may need 2 of those straps that go on the either side of your pouch, that is your soap saver. So for that, making a strap, leave a small tail already in your yarn and then work a slip knot and then work 35 chains and work a slip stitch. So we need one more of this strap or the drawstring, however you may call it. So work 35 chains and work a slip stitch, and just leave in some yarn and then cut your yarn and then work a slip stitch. Now we need one more of the strap or drawstring, and we need to weave this string on either side of your soap saver, like as I show you in this video, and then you can just close them like a drawstring bag. So attach your strings on to your soap saver, and then you can tie the ends with the knot. Now our soap saver is ready. I'm just trying to insert my soap inside it and just close the drawstrings, and here it is. Our cute little soap saver is ready. You can make a couple of this and gift it to someone as a spa gift set, and it's such a quick and easy project, beginner friendly pattern too. So if you're a beginner and looking for some quick and easy projects, this is a very good project that you can try, and I hope you enjoyed this video. Please try this project at home and let me know your comments. Please do not forget to subscribe to the Yarn Bowl and click on the bell icon as well. For the written pattern of the soap saver, you can visit my website theyarnbowlcrochet.com. Thanks for watching. Bye.